Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Extra Blind Slats is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for any homeowner looking to enhance their window treatments, offering a simple yet effective way to replace damaged or missing slats, customize the look of existing blinds, or even create entirely new window covering solutions, ensuring that your blinds not only function perfectly but also contribute to the overall aesthetic of your living space. Number 5. IMPRESA Clear Vertical Blind Repair Tabs. Restore your vertical blinds with ease. Our repair tabs offer a seamless solution for maintaining your window coverings. This kit provides everything you need for an effective repair without professional help. These repair tabs feature a robust adhesive, creating a lasting bond for your blind slats. The simple peel and stick design allows for quick restoration of sliding door blinds and replacements. Our clear repair tabs suit a variety of blind styles, blending effortlessly with any decor. They enhance versatility and aesthetic appeal, making them a great choice for any home. Designed for various settings, these tabs are ideal for sliding glass door blinds and window blind parts. They are easily spot cleaned, ensuring minimal maintenance and a pristine appearance. Crafted for long-lasting performance, these tabs are essential for fixing your vertical window blinds. With a focus on durability, they withstand daily use, maintaining the functionality of your blinds. What we like? If your vertical blinds have minor tears or holes, these clear repair tabs are a lifesaver. They offer a strong, peel and stick bond that's virtually invisible, saving you the hassle of full replacement. If you're looking for a quick, budget-friendly fix that maintains the aesthetic of your blinds, this is the perfect solution. What people say? The slats are made of durable material that holds up well to daily use. The design allows for easy installation and adjustment, making it a convenient choice. The slats effectively block out light, providing excellent room darkening capabilities. Number 4. DALIX PVC Vertical Blind Replacement Slat, White, 10 pk. Refresh your living space without breaking the bank. These replacement slats offer a cost-effective way to give your room a new look. Don't let broken blinds get you down. Replacing damaged slats is simple and can be done yourself with basic tools. Designed to fit standard patio doors, these are the ideal solution for restoring your vertical blinds. They're made to replace your existing slats seamlessly. Need a specific size? No problem. You can easily trim these slats to the perfect length using just a pair of scissors. Keeping your blinds looking fresh is effortless. These are designed for easy cleaning, ensuring they always look their best. These smooth white replacement slats will help you achieve a clean and polished look. They blend well with most decor styles. What we like? For those with standard patio doors or large windows needing a few replacement slats, these are ideal. They're easy to cut with scissors, making DIY a breeze. If you want to refresh your room's look without a big expense, these affordable, easy-to-manage slats are a great choice. What people say? Easy to install, true to measurements, blended in nicely. Provides nice coverage as far as privacy goes and functions great opening and closing. The blinds did come curled up in a small package, and were curled at the bases. We followed what others said about recurling them the opposite way and putting the back in the box overnight. When we took them back out of the box, they were perfectly straight. They blend very well with the blinds that were already installed, same color, thickness, and size, no alterations needed. They may have a slightly different border than the other blinds, but it's practically unnoticeable. Number 3. DALIX 82.5 White Vertical Replacement Blinds, 3-pack. Introducing the DALIX 82.5-inch White Vertical Replacement Blinds. These are designed to fit most sliding doors, patio doors, and large windows. Crafted from high-quality premium vinyl, they are built to be sturdy and dense for long-lasting use. This pack includes 3 blind slats, making it ideal for completing or replacing your current window set. Installation is a breeze thanks to the precision-cut slat holes that easily attach to your blind's clips. Need a different size? These blinds are resizable, allowing you to shorten the length with a simple cutting tool. Before purchasing, please confirm the sizing or measure your current blinds to ensure a proper fit. Each slat measures 82.5 inches long by 3.5 inches wide. What we like? If you have large windows or sliding doors and need to replace multiple slats, this 3-pack offers a good starting point. Made from sturdy vinyl, they are designed for durability and easy attachment. If you're looking for a reliable replacement option that you can easily trim to your exact needs, consider these. What people say. The slats are a perfect match for my existing blinds, making the repair seamless. Easy to install, and they look just like the original slats. Good quality material, feels durable and should last a long time. Number 2. DALIX 82.5 White Vertical Blinds Replacement Slats. Introducing the DALIX 82.5-inch White Vertical Blinds Replacement Slats. These are designed to fit most sliding glass doors, patio doors, and large windows. Crafted from high-quality, premium vinyl, these slats are built to be sturdy and dense for long-lasting use. This pack includes 24 blind slats, perfect for completing or replacing your current window set. Ensure you confirm the sizing before purchase. Installation is a breeze thanks to the precision-cut slat holes. They easily attach to your existing blind clips. Need a different length? These slats are resizable. You can easily shorten them to your desired size with a cutting tool. What we like. When you need to replace a significant number of vertical blind slats, this 24-pack is an excellent value. The premium vinyl ensures durability, and they can be easily resized to fit your specific windows. If you're undertaking a larger blind renovation or have many slats to replace, this bulk option is perfect for you. What people say. The extra blind slats are a perfect match for my existing blinds, allowing me to extend their coverage. These slats are easy to install and integrate seamlessly with my current window treatments. The material quality is good, and they blend in well with the original blinds, making the repair unnoticeable. Number 1. Graywind Motorized Vertical Blinds. Introducing our smart vertical blinds, designed to enhance your living space. Enjoy convenience and modern functionality with these stylish window treatments. These blinds feature blackout textured fabric slats that offer excellent privacy and UV protection. They also provide additional thermal insulation, helping you save energy. Experience smooth and quiet operation with our Smart Track system. The high-quality motor ensures effortless opening and closing, and you can even operate them manually during a power outage. Manage your blinds with the included remote control, which can operate multiple units. You can also adjust the slat angles for the perfect lighting. Control your blinds from anywhere using our mobile app. They are also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for convenient voice control. These blinds are made to order, ensuring a perfect fit for your windows or patio doors. You can customize the size and opening direction to suit your preferences. What we like. For the ultimate convenience and modern living, these motorized smart blinds are the way to go. Control them with a remote, app, or voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. If you desire a blackout effect for privacy and energy saving, and love the idea of hands-free operation for your large patio doors or windows, this is the premium upgrade you're looking for. What people say. I purchased the ones with the remote, although you can also set it up to work with Alexa. They are quiet to operate too. The blinds install quickly and work well with the remote control. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.